Hey guys, Ramon here from RS5 Bronze. This video is going to be a really quick video on installing Canards, specifically the Canards that are from Armor Extend. I got mine in matte carbon fiber instead of the gloss, and they look amazing. As you can see, these are just going to be stick-on, no drilling holes or anything like that. This tape is really strong, so it should hold just fine. One thing I did off camera real quick was just take a damp cloth, wipe everything down. Make sure you wipe this carbon fiber part or black plastic part if that's what you have, and then wipe this whole area down. On this particular design, the smaller one goes at the bottom and the top one goes, and the larger one goes on top. So it'll look something like that. Now, because we want everything to be the same on both sides, I'm going to start with the larger one because this is going to set the angle, and I want to place this one first. So I've already looked, and basically this is how it's going to sit. So I'm going to call this the back. This is the front. I love this little raised lip right there. Such an awesome detail instead of just being flat. Anyway, the back of this is going to be in line. So you have these three fins right here. The back of this is going to be in line with this middle one. Because it's going to be at an angle, I don't want the front to be there. And then the back, this point here, so I'm going to line this up like this. Look straight down. So it's going to sit something like this. Now to find my angle, I can't keep moving my camera back and forth, so I'm just going to leave it like here. So I'm always kind of making sure I'm lined up here. And then the back, what I want is to be within about 1 or 2 millimeters of this line here for the fender. At this point, you just unstick it. And this is the worst part, and commit. Ideally, it'd be better if you had 2 people to help you, because you could have one person holding it here and then the other person looking there. But because I'm by myself, we're gonna make this work. So one trick if you're by yourself, so you know with carbon fiber we have alternating light and dark bands. So what I'm doing is I realize, and you'll have to do this on your own, but I have a dark band that lines up perfectly with this middle fin right there. So what I'm gonna do is make sure that the back part of this lines up with that dark. Then I don't have to look straight down like what I was doing before. I can focus my attention up here and making sure that I am lined up where I want to be there. Hopefully my head's not going to be too far in the way. Okay, so I'm not peeling all the tape off. I'm just doing this corner and this corner here. That way I can keep pulling it once I'm happy with how everything is lined up. So I'm going to kind of tilt that up, and then the same thing here, bring this up and tilt that up. Just make sure not to touch any of the sticky stuff. Verify again that I'm happy with my alignment. And this part, you just have to go slow and take your time and all right, we're just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna hold it for a few seconds. You just wanna spread the force that you're applying evenly across the whole piece. Just keep doing this for I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute. All right, for the smaller one, we're gonna use that same angle that's there, but we're gonna also use this kind of corner piece that's down here. And the front part of this is gonna kind of align right there with that corner piece. And then you want to try to have the same spacing from that fender line to the end of that canard, and then that should also help to line up your angle. Okay, so I don't know, I didn't actually like mention this in the first one, but what I found is sticking this part first is kind of seems to be like the best move. Okay, so once I'm happy with the location of everything, I'm gonna push down at the tip here. Pull everything off. Same thing, just apply pressure. All right, guys, I have everything installed on both sides. I'm gonna pan out on this one real quick. It looks really good. I'll get better shots outside. Car's still jacked up, as you can see. This side's looking just as good there. I'm happy with it. All right, guys, I know it's a short video. They're just canards. They don't really require that much time. I had the project done in probably 5-10 minutes, probably me more being anal, making sure I liked the way that everything looked and where it was placed. The trick with removing the tape from up here first really helped a lot. I did the same thing on both sides and for top and bottom. So that, for me, because I was really nervous about this, really seemed to help in keeping everything in line. But take your time. Don't forget that you also want this corner to be touching as well. So when you're doing your alignment, just, you have 3 different points here, pushing in here, and then pushing up against here. So just remember all of those. Take your time, practice while before you remove any of the adhesive, or before you remove any of the backing off of the double-sided tape. So practice everything first, and then you just got to commit and go for it. But I think the angles are perfect. Everything lines up. Hope you guys like this video. Like always, feel free to leave a comment below if you've done this before. If you recommend something else, let me know. And hit that like button and share. Thanks, guys.